How do you do long division step by step without calculator? So let me say you the step that involves long division. Actually, long division involves 5 steps. The first step is to divide, the second step is to multiply, the third step is to subtract, and the fourth step is bring down, and the last step is repeat or remainder. I will teach all the 5 steps that involves long division step by step. So can you tell me what is long division? Long division is a method of dividing large number into parts. So let us divide. So this is the ideal representation of long division. So you can read this picture. Look, here we'll write divisor, here 5. Divisor means member of a group. Then we'll have dividend, means total members, here 65. And over this bar we'll write quotient. Quotient means number of group you can make. And here we'll write remainder. So look, our first step is to divide. So look, 5 goes into 6 how many times? We need multiplication table of 5. 5 times 1, that gives us 5, right? Then 5 times 2, that gives us, just add 5 with this 5, 10. You don't need to memorize multiplication table, just you have to follow the method that I am saying to you. So look, here we have 6, we have to divide unit by unit, right? Sometimes we can consider both unit, but we'll divide digit by digit. So 5 goes into 6 how many times? 2 times means 10, so we have to stop here. 1 times, so you have to write here 1, right? So now our second step is our first step is to divide, so already we have done that. And second step is to multiply. You have to multiply this quotient and divisor, that is 1 times 5, that gives us 5, so right here. Our third step is to subtract. Let us subtract. 6 minus 5, we are getting 1, right? So this is our third step. What is our fourth step? Bring down. So bring down this 5. So this is our fourth step. And now repeat or remainder. Now our fifth step is to repeat, right? So repeat the process, that is divide. 5 goes into 15 how many times? Look, 2 times means 10, 3 times means 15. Just add 5 with this 10. 15. 5 goes into 15 3 times. Write 3. And 3 times 5, 15. Subtract, then 0, 0. So 13 is our answer, and we don't have any remainder. This is our question. That is, you have total 65 peoples, you can make 13 groups, and each group will have 5 members. So let us take another example and repeat the process. 74, and here we have to divide this 74 by 3. So our first step is to divide. So 3 goes into 7 how many times? 3 times 1, that gives us 3. 3 times 2, that gives us, just at 3, 6. 3 times 3, that gives us 6 plus 3, 9. So 3 goes into 7. If we consider here, then 9 which is greater, so we have to stop here. 2 times, write 2. And 2 times 3, that is 6. Subtract 7 minus 6, 1. Now bring down this 4. So you have 14 ones now, right? 3 goes into 14 how many times? 3 times 9, 4 times 12, just add 3 with this 9, 12, then 5, 15, right? Just add 3, 15. So 3 goes into 14 how many times? Look, if I take 5 times, that 15 which is greater, so we have to stop here 4 times. Then 4 times 3, that gives us 12. Subtract, then you are getting 2, right? So 2 is your remainder. So now check. Dividend, this is dividend equal to divisor times quotient plus remainder. So let us, here dividend is 74, right? 74. So let us divisor here 3, quotient here 24, plus remainder here 2. So what will happen? Look, 24, 3 times 4, 12. So write here 2 and carry 1. 3 times 2, 6, plus 1, 7. 72 plus 2, that is 74. So dividend equal to divisor times quotient plus remainder. So this is the right long division, right? Okay, now take another example. So how to divide decimal 2.874, how to divide decimal using long division method. Let's say we are going to divide this decimal number by 5. So how to do that? So look, 5 goes into 2 how many times? Since 2 is smaller, so 0 times. 5 goes into 2, 0 times. 0 times 5, 0. Subtract 2. Bring down the next digit, that is 8. But here we have decimal. Decimal will go directly to the quotient. 5 goes into 28 how many times? 5, if I take here 5 times 5, that is 25. 5 goes into 28, 5 times 25. Subtract, then you are getting here 3. Bring down the next digit, 37. 5 goes into 37 how many times? Let us write 7 times. 7 times 5, that is 35. Now subtract, then you are getting 2. Then bring down the last digit, that is 0. 5 goes into 20 how many times? 4 times. 4 times 5, 20. If you subtract, you are getting 0. So this is your result, and this is the way to divide a decimal number using long division method.